All right, so let's get into this home tour. So this is a spare bathroom, very basic, good natural light. Can't wait to do the renovations to that. I wanted to make sure I had the laminate flooring downstairs because I don't like carpet, especially downstairs where there's a lot of traffic. It's a closet on the right hand side. Walking into the kitchen has a beautiful island. Everything in the kitchen is white. White cabinets, white backsplash, and I believe the countertops are white quartz. But it has a very nice layout. I like the open concept. It has new appliances, large space for a fridge. Yes, white, white, white. Everything is white. I love white. And then as you can see, it kind of runs into the living room. So I do love this open concept. And then walking back down the hall, go up the stairs. And I do like the fact that the staircase has the bars and it's not just drywall. Makes me feel like trapped if it's drywall. So I like that it has the railing, can dress this up for the holidays. Yes, I have white carpet. Washer and dryer, and this is a laundry room with a sink. So that was the first time that I've ever had a sink in a laundry room. So I thought that was really cool. Has a lot of space to build some storage. Now this is the primary bedroom. Again, a lot of natural light. And this is the primary bathroom. One thing that I had to have in my bathroom was black tile. So I had this matte black hexagon tile installed with the white grout. I just love black and white concept. The bathtub is really long and deep. And then this is the walk-in closet. It does have a double mirrored door. It's a nice size walk-in closet, but I'll probably end up changing this around. And then a very basic toilet room. Next is another bathroom. It has the double sinks, the bath and shower. Again, basic. And then this is a loft that I'm thinking about turning into an office. Again, every room has a lot of natural light, which I love. And then this is a spare bedroom. Pretty nice size bedrooms. And then another bedroom on this side as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Can't wait to show you what I do with the new construction home, all my new custom stuff. So keep on watching.